Hey everybody, we're going to make a series of videos that is like super beginner friendly, but still feel like you've done something satisfying, if you will. So I try to think of the absolute easiest, most basic project that anybody could do. And I think I've come up with it. And I mean, it's cute enough that if you wanted to make your friends or family a little extra something at Christmas, you know, or you couldn't afford a lot, but you wanted something, it's something that you could use that as a little gift because it's really cute. You're going to start with just a pot holder. This is either Dollar General or Dollar Tree pot holder. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter. But I picked this one out because it had the cute butterflies on it. But even if all you had was a very plain, very basic, solid color, you could still do that. You could use little charms to decorate it if you wanted, or you could use iron-ons. The only iron-ons I have in my craft stuff right now is snowflakes. But, you know, you can buy cheap iron-ons to use. You could even buy the letters and iron on somebody's name, something like that. But we're going to make an eyeglass case in case you couldn't tell by the shape there. So literally, I'm just going to grab a couple of clips. You could use pins if you don't have clips. You can use the little office binder clips. Anything you have just to hold this together. And like I said, the basic shape is built in for you. You're going to start just about right here. I'm not going to start in the curve. I'm going to start right down here just as it comes out of the curve. And we're literally going to follow this all the way down. I'm backwards. We are literally going to follow the seam all the way around. One seam, one little pot holder, and you have a cute little eyeglass case. And it has a built-in hanger on it. So if you wanted to clip that to your purse or book bag, whatever, you know, it's built in for you. If you don't want it there, clip it off. Not a big deal. Or just fold it in and, you know, put a little stitch in there to hold it, or even a little bit of hot glue would hold it in there if you didn't want it to show. And then, actually, in this case, you couldn't use that as the bottom because your butterfly would be flying upside down. But if it's solid color, then you can most definitely just fold that in when you sew it. Sew right over it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you. It's very quick, very easy. I'm not going to clip mine, but if you're a beginner, obviously you'll feel more comfortable if you do. And this is going to be pretty thick. So you're just going to take your time with it. You're not in a hurry. Now, if you find that you are breaking threads or anything like that when you're going through something thick, get you a heavier needle. You can find it on Google or anywhere, and if I can find a graphic, I'll put it in the video as well. But it's for there's certain size needles that are better for heavier fabrics, like denim, for example, or even something this heavy. So now your regular needle may do fine, but I'm just saying if you are breaking thread, just get a needle change. Okay, so I do want to backstitch just a couple stitches. Now that I'm coming up on the curve, I'm just going to adjust down here to make sure that it's straight. get to the edge, I'm just going to back stitch and cut. And look at that. Well, we'll thread trim it, but just like that, a very inexpensive padded quilted eyeglass case. So I think they're super cute. And if you have older kids that you would trust with a glue gun, even if you didn't sew this project, they could do it for their friends for Christmas easily, and they would just glue, hot glue. What I would suggest though, whether it's hot glue, fabric glue, or whatever you decide to use, I would want something like clips, so as you glue a little spot, clip it till that glue really hardens and sets up. Just go all the way around, pretty close together, because you want to make sure it's compressed really, really well. So that is also an option with the glue. But again, I just want everybody to feel comfortable sewing. It's not as intimidating as a lot of people make it out to be. So I like to try to show you things that are very doable. And once you may have any accomplishment when you're starting something new, it's great. And I don't just want to show you some little piece of junk or anything like that. I want to show you that you can make something to be proud of quite easily and have some fun with it. So, grab my glasses here. They just slide right in. This is a nice deep one. Yeah, and I know they're protected in there because of the quilting and the padding. Alright, so anyway, that's our very first beginner-friendly project that we're going to do, but we have more coming. This is just our first one. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.